Welcome to our show. And this is a special show that God is going to bless us with. And then it's the short motion. According to Brother Ernest, Opeso Che say, in case of say, Oye Christoni, Nasa Fiase to Wasoria, and Bon Modern so best is our sorry. Barada no, Tina sorry wa, Sreboniface, and Yankopodo Bonnie Bechoa, baby our house and one will be paid down. Gomez and Susu Pesoche say, a baby here pass over Bettnefi. Intineno, why are so? They're just listening to them. Which one are you going to pick? Whilst you are listening to them, let me know your ideas and your comment in the comment section, and God is going to bless you. But Ernest, Aquaba. Na boko de.
Nyame adome wo yapa.
Na wanya bibia didi.
Oh, manya fufu bia di.
Okay. Na ne dia na wo mai.
Oh.
Because said you go make the heat one on the again na wo mai. Me person who mention dia worker the chain also abi.
Dia me worker ne say o Kristo ni bia no. Eni say okwa asori na sa ahwase to a eni say wuja asori. Baby ahwase to o. De hia ne so benya no ho. Se Boniface. Baby ani wuase to nko so kwa asori. Na Nyankopon nam so. Baby ani wuase obe pepa na de washo woni monyama e wo ho no ma. Do hia ne so benya no ho. Wasachira. That is the most important thing. The meaning no. Na mbese obi Bible no, obi phone no. Mbese obi phone no. Obi phone no. So, me check audio so. Me pese obi phone no. Eye yi mami. Obi the book of Exodus. Exodus 2:15 11 to 15. What kind the book of Exodus are the encounter because of time? What kind the book of Exodus are? Dear my say, Chairman, Moses will be not destined to deliver people from destruction. The Bible just say, not what you Hebrew but now we need. The Bible say, and I'm saying Hebrew moja woni montino. To cut the story short, oko school wo Egypt. Ema obenya nim de kese pa. Na ya wo pia nam say Hebrew fo moja woni montino pia na e kan say wonya humo brosho nku bia yeden ama Hebrew fo no. The Bible say one do kwa na Egyptians fo no tete ye one of the Hebrew fo ni bi. The Bible say nam so no bobo Egypt ni no den okun no. Dem person chinya so okun no yam hihie ntino ene asebe beto no ntino odwane okoy ana okoy odwane fi ono mokoy na okoy no Bible ma yente asese okose baby for 40 good years ene Nyankopon dan ho di kire no Nyankopon dan ho di kire nken ene okache ne se on go back to baby a ahwase ne to no na onko enam no so no Nyankopon pe nam so ayede ayi one na one kwa so ayede asepi the me person me change and say look, you can be a Christian and there can be something can happen to you and you can fall. When you fall, there is no need for you to change. There is no need for you to change your church. But baby and ngwase to no se Boniface wonum na ekoso kwa asori no na baby ngwase de ho na erade ni monyam bedadi amanasa pejabie baby Moses dwane fie no eho na Nyankopon sa dane ne so ba ya o de ne sa bedua ya enam ne so honhum famo peja no honhum famo shane den honhum famo man to me na osan man ne den o de nam so ma enam ne so ma Israel for free Egypt German me so betie mi a we go me asa wotwe bibia ni nitima obeka but so be oti ebetin ya it is better to go to the same church. No, don't change church. When you change church, your situation begin to spread. But stay in the same church. Baby, was a tono, and one Yankupon Sabasha one. Bible show us sending Moses back to the place, and through Moses, glory of God, manifested, and millions of people were saved. Intermediate, so be team here, Diana. It is better said, Safia said to her, Nipa Bekasa, Nipa every situation, if he said, Bible Crampono, a church said, not there was a prostitute. Pardon us, a year a dream so funny nas, not in the tree be by. Nana, dear, now we into Christos in Yadian Obano, near be feet, Nidin and Baba Bumuta, and Passionate Costuponidin, and Munyam said. Into Moses, a mass and the tunnel. I will say Bernard Tunipa. A day we are dear was on our sato. Don't change the church. My tennis, stay there. No more bonimu, Seboniface, the Yankupon Munyamna, if required, a Sabe Baoso. Into the mimic Macano, they make Machano. Banana me pesa what kind. Exodus 2:11-15, a mammy. Exodus 11-15.
Exodus.
Yes.
Exodus 2:11-15.
What's it?
Exodus 2:11-15. Also, one day after Moses had become an adult, he went out among his people and he saw their forced labor. He saw an Egyptian beating a Hebrew, one of his own people. He looked around to make sure no one else was there. Then he killed the Egyptian and hid him in the sand.
A long story because of time. I don't know much him. Oh, Nipa Ahiasia Tue, Nemos a Tuya, and my namo so and nefi, meant nefi, a pia benamos and Monyam Cassia benamos abanese, Nakupo benamos so I de apejao. Anamo so ati and nip at nipe for how. That there was an arrow that was thrown to you because you wasn't careful. That thing will draw you back for you to stay in the house. That will draw you back in your Christianity. But say sana, a president and Yankupon Munyama daddy. Ebia one no sem transhipi, Obeka Manase, ni baby and Munyam. Paul, and ye saw near friend, a best friend is Sean, your best friend Paul. This same thing happened to him, or said, and I'm sure any part of 2 and I'm so sign. If you're the Yankupon who go down so, intimate. So if you are said to Christonia, Mesro, Yanu, or baby Pialawo, Unyanu. Nase, Unyanu, ya, Seboniface, Nipa your Mekasa, Nipa can be near my people. People are not going to forget. But don't let those things draw you back. Fight so hard. Or say, young fire, share any apple, anything to work on our salvation. Intimate message said, Koso, the Yankupo Benamoso, at the Nipa Bebre, Asaba, and Quajim, it did make Macanono.
Wow. The Dadanes, they are 2 and no na Wakasapa, or Pache say Moses Ahiasetuno. Na Namsana Hebrew. Nti ahwiase tu no wo bet by mistake no nipa nkwa free ni nsa nam nsa so no or call odwane ye no 40 years no God used him as a vessel the name from so channel esa baba bia odwane free ye no na Bible say nam so ma Egypt before enya found the brother and special change and say ampa Sahiase tu Christonia, main Janin free baby a one. Ayana and Guase, Ayana and Niwo, Ayana a Niwo and Guase dear. But Memma sadden and draw back. Sana saw a ye, Okunkun Nipa Harding. Nansumun people were rejecting him when he became born again. And Naninamuno, yes, a poor Armantem. Or snedy comfort. To the opposite change, I said, don't change church, stay in the church. Na baby, when you go as no, now coupon benam, Sab Brianwa, Apejao, na Nanimu number daddy, Abia Namoso, na Egypt Nibi, also P, na wedding. I said Israel will be pay free Egypt, no Musuno found with thee. Ain't it baby, I do need there. Agrono, a beer, I grow wire the pa, in fact. He said Drew the champion Gomez so. Chama boko de. What you know kind? Oh, me to do kind. You know, no. Then I also walk a catching. Then I also walk a catching. Because who teenagers and na or no person said don't stay in the house. It was also then I was some person catching, you know. Any and Cassana, you who swagging tre. Ombrana and Dashmo. Ye okay, yo, medasi, chama. Okay, yo, chama, medasi. Dear me person me de chen and catching in yan and say, do okay, no. Me and Falcon Mummy. Me no street, ye and Falcon Mummy. Oh, quite sorry. Nyanko Ponso no watching Moturumojo. Look well. It's either you become cold or you become warm. What I say? Ain't you no say? Walk quite sorry, na say. Yen funny say. Ashiasia toa. Just a wono, Charlie, Nadia wono, what I say, won't me. Into the best in job at Nefi because I saw now Wokono. Ghana for Casa, especially Ghana for sorry or Mocasa.
Apostle, we have this.
The Casa, dear Nama, why Mojomojon, it is better so better Nefi. A better so better Nefi. Maybe dear no, it is better for you to stay in the house. It is better for you to stay in the house. It is a what Nefia a far better. Me they meet my canon. What nephew be my how I drink? Oh, sure, what did he? What's your full married and why? What the kama? A bebo chama, a bois. Oh, that kama see a bois. Oh, and as a one quash or grass, sorry no, quash or for fro. Oh, call na say, Bibi Satua, Sassis are sorry for fro.
Apostle, we have this.
Grand Abel cra. Call. And no mum, a bebo. Yeah, and no more bebo, and Timeno, Mencasabe bree. Ne tinti oye me nkasa tintin de kire se me no de me kan ye no nyansa wom what I say nyansa wom de me kan ye no tietia na ye no e kire se nyansa wom na we yi na ya ye wini wo ko hwe comment on na amafo be comment mi so mo be comment na be kire se asem na me kan nyansa wom stay in the house so that so person kwa so ya change the church o kona bibi so sa change the church no. Yes, and I said the best in certain fee. They may meet my can no chama. They meet my can. Me need quotation, yeah, me the best support me there. And it's simple and theater. They may meet my can. Okay. Yati wa yasum. MC yati no wa yasum. The air combine na no. Chama as watching na dream. Do best watching ne say, or no there. Tenafi. But to hear send me na. Most what adventure was saying. Yentena fi anasa woni brother nest ya adwen so obekoso awa asore no wa bomodin so obinya adwen sacha na ebi anamo so amanyankopon ayusu anasa odo aye sanchene e wa asore demo anasa obeja asore no atena fi emudien na wonfa obetena fi da akopem taben bate ka men kwa madwen dia e wo wonsem me den ka mekoso akwa asore no menya adwen sacha me mpelme na me hwede obi ka mabomodin ahwehwe mekra e de asiye na minim de bebe ochna minim de wotrim. You too can write what you think in the comment section and God is going to bless you. Subscribe to the channel, like the channel, press on the bell. And then anytime be a video bedroom be on Sabekabi. Unyame count on shroud, no kese. We shall meet next time. Ciao, grat.